Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Once again, welcome my dear students to the online session of mathematics, grade 5. Hope all of you are fine. My dear student, our today's topic is classified triangles. We will classify different triangles according to their size and according to their angles. These are in pages 916 and 917. First of all, see in page number 915 key concept. There are three triangles. One is isosceles triangle, other is equilateral triangle, and the third is scalene triangle that I explained you in our previous lessons also. Three sides are equal. This is called equilateral triangle. Two sides are equal, isosceles triangle, and all the three sides are different. This type of triangle is called scalene triangle. And in page number 916, see the key concept. Acute triangles. If three angles are less than 90 degree, this is acute triangles. Right triangles. If one angle is 90 degree in a triangle, this is called right triangle. Obtuse triangle. One angle is more than 90 degree and two angles are less than 90 degree. This is called obtuse angles. Guided practice. Question number 1. Classify the triangle based on its sides. You can see a triangle in question number 1. Two sides are 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter, and the third side is 4 centimeter. They are asking how many sides of the triangles are congruent. In the given line, you will write two sides, 2, because one side is 2 centimeter, other side is also 2 centimeter. So two sides are congruent. The triangle is an isosceles triangle. Why? Because a triangle in which two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. In the given line, you will write isosceles triangle. Question number 2. Classify the triangle based on its angles. You will have to study the angles. The triangle is an acute triangle. Why? Because all the angles are less than 90 degree. We will tell it an acute angle. Next number is page number 917. Independent practice. Determine the number of congruent sides for each triangle. Then classify the triangle based on its sides. Some triangles are given. We will have to decide the congruent sides of each triangle, and then we have to decide this is isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, or obtuse triangle. Number 3. 2.9 centimeter is one side, other side is 1.3 centimeter, third side is 2.5 centimeter. We see that all the sides are different. They are asking how many sides are congruent, so nothing is congruent, all are different, so we'll write 0. 0 means 0 congruent, means nothing congruent. And what type of triangle it is? Scalene triangle. If all sides are different in a triangle, we call it scalene triangle. Next number is 4. One side is 2 centimeter. You can see in your book. Other side is 2 centimeter, and the third side is 1.5 centimeter. We see that two sides are congruent. We will write 2 and the comma, and the type of triangle is isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. Next, classify each triangle based on its angles. We have to study the angles and then decide which type of triangle it is. Number 5, obtuse triangle, because one angle of this triangle is more than 90 degree, so it is called obtuse triangle. Next is 6. You can see the figure of the triangle in question number 6. This is acute triangle because all the angles are less than 90 degree. We will call it an acute triangle. Number 7, there is a square corner. Square corner means 90 degree. If any angle of a triangle is 90 degree, it is called right triangle. In the given line, you will write right triangle. Next number is 8. See the angles, 3 angles of a triangle, all are less than 90 degree. What type of triangle it is? Can you tell? Yeah, definitely it is acute triangle. Draw each triangles. You will use your scale and protractor to draw triangles. Number 9, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which 3 sides are equal. You will make a triangle in which all the 3 sides are equal. Last number is 10, right triangle. You will make a triangle in which one angle will be 90 degree, so it will be a right triangle. Right triangle is a triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. Now homework, my dear students, you will complete these pages, page number 916 and 17. Thank you very much for watching the lesson and understanding the lesson. Take care. See you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum.